Today, we'll be talking about how to use Excel spreadsheets, including how to enter data and use functions. This lesson was made by John Bentz and narrated and edited by Mariah Thrush as part of Ohio University's NSF-funded Boat of Knowledge in the Science Classroom. This video is part of a larger lesson plan, learning how to use spreadsheets in science experiments and research. It would be useful to have a computer readily available so you can follow along with each set of instructions. The complete lesson plan is available at the Wix website address above. Let's do a quick demonstration as to why Excel spreadsheets are useful. Pause the video and time yourself how long it takes to complete these tasks, both by hand and in an Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheets can help us save time in many different ways. To start, explore the uses of Microsoft Excel. Click File, then New, and examine all the templates available. Choose 2 different templates and investigate any computations by adding data into cells. Click on cells that automatically compute to see the formula being used. Remember, do not save templates that you have changed. After investigating different templates, pause the video and discuss these questions. Other classmates explored different templates, so ask what they observed. If you've never used Excel, the layout terminology might be unfamiliar. Cells are individual rectangles within Excel to which data is entered and can be used as reference for calculations. A row is the horizontal group of cells, while a column is a vertical group of cells. We can easily sort data alphabetically, chronologically, or numerically by using the sort function in the upper toolbar. Under the Data tab, you will find buttons that have A and Z on them, like you see on the left side of the screen now. When a column or row of data is highlighted, you can use these buttons to sort data from high to low or low to high. Cells and values within cells can be copied by using the copy-paste method you probably already use in Word documents. Or you can click on the right corner of a selected cell and drag it down the desired amount of cells. Remember, be careful when using this drag method if formulas reference one or more of the cells. The templates that you explored in the first part of the lesson probably have cells that automatically calculated values. These cells contain functions, also called formulas. In an open Excel spreadsheet, you can find a tab titled Formulas, which contains categories of equations, including financial, date and time, logical, math, statistical, and others. Some of the most commonly used equations are listed here. You're probably familiar with all of these functions, but if one or more looks unfamiliar, pause the video and read the description to recall their use. A function has 2 parts, the function name and the arguments. The function name is the function or formula you want to use. In this case, it is the average function. The arguments are the cells you want to use for your formula. There's 2 different ways to implement a function into a spreadsheet. The first way is to use the Insert Function key in the Formula tab on the far left. Make sure you have selected a cell before trying to click on the Insert Function key. From there, a box will pop up and you can select your function and arguments. An alternative way to implement a function is to directly type it into a cell. To make the function work, you must type an equal sign before the function to let the program know it needs to make a calculation. After typing the function name after the equal sign, type a left parentheses, then input the arguments by clicking individual cells or highlighting cell ranges. End the argument by putting the right parentheses. You can also create several different kinds of graphs in Excel. To create bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, scatter plots, and other plots, go to the Insert tab and look at the Chart section. Creating graphs is slightly more complicated than using functions and will not be covered in this video. For a tutorial, search creating and editing charts and graphs, and YouTube for a basic lesson. For an additional activity, go to this Wixbooks website and click on the Excel spreadsheet listed here under the Year 2 Lessons tab. From here, you can use your skills you learned to calculate various parameters for water chemistry. Thank you for watching.